Okay, we have a Jura Z6 that has had some troubles with what's called the ceramic valve. That's the ceramic valve. So it started leaking up top here. I tried using some JV weld bond to fix that. Then it started not doing cleaning cycles correctly, and making milk either, foaming milk. But it would still make coffee. So I ordered a replacement. And we're gonna put that new replacement in and see if we can fix this. The rest of this will be done using still photos because my two hands were busy repairing this machine. You can, of course, get this machine serviced at a certified repair depot, but if you're outside of warranty and you may want to do this yourself and take advantage of the right to repair, you'll want to source the parts. Getting parts for these machines in North America is tough. There are not a lot of suppliers, they're expensive, and they tend to take a long time to ship. They also don't carry every single part. Europe is a much better place to look for these in my experience, and I've found some great sellers on eBay that have not only great prices, but fast shipping. I got this part from Latvia in about 1 week for about half the price of a US website, and the shipping was even free. Opening this machine is not a trivial thing to do, and I've made a whole video about how to do that. There are even special tools required, and I tell you how to get those, so please check that out before attempting this repair yourself. After opening the side of the machine, the first thing you need to do is remove 2 Torx screws that hold the ceramic valve frame into place. This will allow you to swing the ceramic valve out and get access to the tubes. The second thing you need to do is there is one tube behind the top of the ceramic valve that needs to be manually disconnected by getting your hand in behind it. You do this by holding the ceramic valve in one hand and using your other hand to reach behind and find the small silicone tube that needs to be pulled off of the ceramic valve head. At this point, we have to remove the black plastic frame that holds the ceramic valve in place in the machine. This is the same frame that was removed at the beginning with the 2 Torx screws. There's also a little black plastic tab that holds this to the ceramic valve, and you can see you need to use a little bit of pressure with a screwdriver to pry a little tab open to remove the valve away from the black plastic frame. This black plastic frame can then be slid on to the new valve. At this stage, you should have the new ceramic valve beside the old ceramic valve and carefully take each one of the silicone tubes and move it from its old position to the new identical position on the new valve. There is one that's a little bit tricky that has a pin that needs to be removed. Once you pull the pin off, you can pull the plastic housing off, put it on the new one, and then replace the pin. At this point, you should remove the electrical connectors from the old ceramic valve from the back circuit board from the machine. You can see here in yellow that I've circled the 2 locations where they need to be attached. Make sure you get the colors in the correct direction and the headers in the right location on the circuit board. Also, be mindful of the wiring location and how it's routed through the back of the machine. There are a couple of places where you can route the wires so that they're neat and tidy and tucked away as they were originally installed. At this point, we're almost finished, and all you have to do is reassemble the machine the way it was by putting back the ceramic valve using the black plastic frame and putting the Torx screws back in place where they were, making sure that all the cables and the little tubes are in the right place and look neat and tidy. All right, well, we've done our install here. Let's see if this thing works. Gonna go to the front. I've just turned it on and it seemed to cycle up okay. Take some espresso and see what happens. First of all, everything in here looks like working, not leaking or anything. Oh, look at that, there's the coffee. Wow, okay. Well, okay, we've put the machine back in its normal place, and let's try to make a milk-based drink, this time cappuccino. right, well there you have it. The Z6 ceramic valve has been fixed and the machine works as it should. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and do like if you enjoyed or got value from this video.